How to fix AliExpress account locked error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix AliExpress locked account error. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy with this video. In order to fix AliExpress locked account, you want to first verify the issue. There are various reasons for account lock: unconfirmed email, failed login attempts, suspected fraud, frequent disputes might be the issue. How to restore a locked account? If the account was locked due to an unconfirmed email, click the account reactivation button and attach a scan of your passport or verified government ID. If the account was locked due to failed login attempts, try using the login ID and email address to sign in. If the email address is invalid, try searching for changed email on eFile. If the account was locked due to suspected fraud, it may be difficult or impossible to unlock it. In this case, you may need to create a new account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.